Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. Today we'll be learning about family members, relationship words, social greetings, talking about family and some social conversations. So yeah, let's dive into this today's lesson. So what is father? Father is Nana or Tandri. Like Tandri is father, but you'll not call your father as father, right? You'll say dad, papa, right? So in general, what we say father, Tandri, but we call father as Nana, Nana or Tandri, Tandri. Same. Mother, we call her Amma, Amma, Amma. But we will also say Talli, Talli. Like Talli, Tandri are the words like for book words. But Amma, Nana, these are the words we say to them. Like, I'm calling my mother. So I'll say Amma, Amma. Father, Nana. Brother. So you have to see that we call elder brother differently, younger brother differently. Elder brother is Anna, Anna. Younger brother, Tammudu, Tammudu. Same sister. Elder sister, Akka, Akka. Younger sister, Chelli, Chelli. Son, Kumarudu. Again, Kumarudu is book word. But in general, we say Koduku, Koduku. Daughter, Kumarte, Kumarte is book word. And Kuturu, Kuturu is what we use in general. Let's repeat. Father is Nana or Tandri. Amma, mother. Amma, Talli, Talli. Brother. Elder brother is Anna. Younger brother, Tammudu. Akka. Elder sister is Akka. Younger sister, Chelli. Son, Kumarudu or Koduku. Koduku. Daughter, Kumarte or Kuturu. Kuturu. Now extended family. Grandfather is Tata. Tata. It is Tata for maternal and paternal grandfather. Is Tata. But for grandmother, it is different. If it is maternal, then we say Amamma. Amamma. Basically, it's mother's mother. Mother is Amma, right? So mother's mother is Amma, Amma. 2 times. Amamma. Amamma. For paternal, Nanamma. That means father's mother. Father is Nana and his mother, Amma. Father's mother is Nanamma. Nanamma. Uncle. If he is maternal, if he is from your mother's side, you say Mama or Mamaya. Mama or Mamaya. But if he is from paternal side, like your father's side, then you say Babai. If he's if your uncle is younger than your father, then you say Babai. And if he's elder, Pedanana. Pedanana. That means Pedda means elder. Nana is father. Elder father. That means Pedanana. Pedanana. Again, same with aunt. If she is paternal side, you say Atta. Even though she's elder or younger than your father, you will say atta or attamma. But if it is your maternal and your aunt is younger than your mom, you say pinni, pinni. And elder than your mom, you say peddamma, pedda again, elder, amma, mother, peddamma, peddamma. So grandfather is tata, grandmother, maternal is amamma, paternal nanamma. You know maternal, paternal, right? Maternal is your mother's side, paternal father's side. Uncle, maternal mama, paternal babai or pedanana, pedanana. Aunt atta is paternal, pinni or peddamma, maternal. And for your cousins, you say same, akka anna only. Friend, we have already learned what is friend called as in Telugu. Snehitudu is for male friends. Snehituralu is female friend. Neighbor, poruguvaru, poruguvaru. Relative, bandhuvu, bandhuvu. Husband, bharta, bharta. Wife, bharya, bharya. Friend, snehitudu or snehituralu. Neighbor, poruguvaru. Relative, bandhuvu. Husband, bharta. Wife, bharya. Next, social greetings. If you know, like we have already discussed these things in before lessons, so it's just a revision for you now. How are you? How you say how are you? Meeru ela unnaru. Meeru ela unnaru. Nice to meet you. మిమ్మల్ని కలిసినందుకు ఆనందంగా ఉంది. మిమ్మల్ని కలిసినందుకు ఆనందంగా ఉంది. వెల్కమ్, స్వాగతం, స్వాగతం. గుడ్ విషెస్ ఆర్ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ is శుభాకాంక్షలు, శుభాకాంక్షలు. Like you will wish happy birthday, right? That means good wishes. So you'll say జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు, జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. జన్మదిన is birthday, the day you born. శుభాకాంక్షలు, that means good wishes. Congratulations, you are congratulating someone, like they got job and you are saying congratulations. How you say that in Telugu? Same, శుభాకాంక్షలు, that means good wishes. Okay, శుభాకాంక్షలు. And you are introducing your family to someone. So you are saying this is my father, ఇది మా నాన్న. This one is my father. So ఇది మా నాన్న. And for your mother you say ఇది మా అమ్మ. And you are saying I have one brother, elder brother. So you are saying నాకు ఒక అన్నయ్య ఉన్నాడు. నాకు ఒక అన్నయ్య ఉన్నాడు. నాకు ఒక అన్నయ్య ఉన్నాడు. That means I have one brother. And social sentences, you are asking how is your family. You have done with greetings. So now we are moving to their family. So you are asking how is your family? Is everything all right with them? So how will you ask that? అందరూ బాగున్నారా? అందరూ బాగున్నారా is everyone is fine. But to family we say కుటుంబం, మీ కుటుంబం ఎలా ఉంది? దట్ మీన్స్ హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ? మీ కుటుంబం ఎలా ఉంది? సో దే ఆర్ ఆన్సరింగ్. అందరూ బాగున్నారు. అందరూ బాగున్నారు. That means everyone is fine. And now you are saying you are inviting them to your house. How you will invite them to your house? మా ఇంటికి రండి. మా ఇంటికి రండి. That means come. మా ఇంటికి రండి. Now, social conversation you have already done with this part, but yeah, let's revise. How are you? మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్. నేను బాగున్నాను. నేను బాగున్నాను. నేను బాగున్నాను. హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ? మీ కుటుంబం ఎలా ఉంది? మీ కుటుంబం ఎలా ఉంది? ఎవ్రీవన్ ఇస్ ఫైన్. అందరూ బాగున్నారు. అందరూ బాగున్నారు. అందరూ బాగున్నారు. లెట్స్ రివైజ్. ఫాదర్, నాన్న, రైట్? నాన్న. మదర్, అమ్మ. ఫ్రెండ్, స్నేహితుడు ఆర్ స్నేహితురాలు. స్నేహితుడు ఆర్ స్నేహితురాలు. ఫ్యామిలీ, కుటుంబం. కుటుంబం. వెల్కమ్, స్వాగతం. స్వాగతం. And that's it for today's session. In the next lesson, we'll learn about festivals, culture and traditions. Okay. Thank you so much. ధన్యవాదాలు.